very good evening to you traders. This is Mark. Welcome to your daily trading video. Bit of a lackluster day across the board. I want to look at the Dow first. Actually, we tagged that 18,000 level. We're after hours now, and we never really got any aggression below it, and I'm still waiting for that aggression to really drive us through that low. It's a big level. It's a key level. It's a key resistance level from earlier in the year. It's a key support level now. I think the bulls are disappointed again today, but we didn't quite have the volume. Remember looking at around 18,000, that first push below, and thinking we didn't really have the volume today. It was the same across the board as well. I was watching the DAX, and I was actually trading this DAX as we were trying to push through these lows here, and it just never really got going. Every time we attempted, we whipped back up, we whipped back up, we whipped back up, and that's a frustrating market. If you're trying to press for that break, it's very frustrating. So you've got to almost have a go at it and say, okay, we'll leave it, rather than now trying to trade that. I always think it's better to wait for the break, regardless of how low it goes. Let the panic set in, let it show itself that it is a panic type market, then trade that pullback. Yeah, okay, you're leaving all that on the off the table, but for me that's a less risky trade. So not an awful lot going on today. It was a bit of a tricky day to get stuck into. US dollar yen has tagged that little lower trend line there and just creeping around again. Nothing very exciting going on. Tomorrow we have some interesting info coming out from the Bank of England. We've got the minutes, we've got the monetary policy decision, where is it, and all the other bits and pieces that come with that about midday UK time. Expecting some action from that. We also have retail sales, PPI, jobless claims, Philly Fed, loads of stuff coming out from the US around that 1:30 time as well. So 12 o'clock, 1:30, definitely worth watching. Pound's been stuck in this post-Brexit kind of range for a while now. We keep coming down, testing that 1:30 and pushing straight back up. That's definitely the psychological line in the sand there. And obviously, actually from charting perspective, we've got this line at about 1:34, and we're just in the middle of no man's land. So there's nothing much going on there. It's the same with the euro. Anyone who's been position trading that has actually not had any luck on that whatsoever. We have just been in the tightest, most horrible little range, and I've just not taken it off my radar. Same with anything that's pound denominated, the same type of thing. Yen. Let's look at the yen. That's the more interesting pair, and the euro yen as well, I think is better. These are waiting for a spark to ignite them one way or the other, I feel. In particular the US dollar yen, because if you think about all the major currencies, you've got the yen, which is having this big issue at the moment with the negative interest rate policy potential. They've just got so many issues going on. Europe, the euro's got the issue with just the whole consolidation of the countries and the demographic and the immigration and everything. Pound is obviously how we're going to be after the Brexit. Dollar is having all the issues to do with whether they're going to raise interest rates or not. So there's a lot to be looking at in the currency market. Okay, the last few days have been a little bit quiet, but I think it's the calm before the storm. And that could give us a catalyst for everything, because if you think the Dow is at pretty key levels, the DAX, pretty key levels, FTSE, pretty key support as well. They're all on that knife edge. US dollar yen within striking range of that 100 level. Everything is, it's at that point where it could kick off at any time. So while there's sometimes you don't get the opportunities you want every day or in the afternoon or in the morning, whatever, I think it's a good time to be a day trader specifically, and I've definitely got some alerts set for if we do spice up at some point, and obviously keep my eye on the economic calendar. So, have a great trading day today, guys. Catch you in another video tomorrow. Take care.